Hello everyone, welcome to Explain Crypto, where we make complex cryptocurrency topics easy to understand. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Bitcoin mining. If you haven't watched our previous video about Bitcoin, I advise you to do so. Let's get started. First things first, what is Bitcoin mining? Well, imagine Bitcoin as a digital gold. Mining is the process of bringing new Bitcoins into existence. But instead of using shovels and pickaxes, miners use powerful computers. Here's how it works. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called blockchain. The blockchain is like a public ledger where every transaction is recorded to prevent double spending, an issue we covered previously. Miners play a critical role in this system by verifying and adding legitimate transactions to the blockchain. To add a new block to the blockchain, miners must solve complex mathematical puzzles. These puzzles require a lot of computational power. Think of it like solving a really tough Sudoku puzzle, but way more complicated. Why do miners do this? Well, they're awarded with newly minted bitcoins and transaction fees. This is called a block reward. It's like getting paid for your hard work. So in theory, miners are doing the work on the blockchain. The people using the blockchain to, let's say, transact, give the miners transaction fees for their efforts, as well as the miners getting newly minted bitcoins. But here's the catch, mining isn't easy. It requires specialized hardware, like ASICs, short for Application-Specific Integrated Circuits, and a lot of electricity. The process is also competitive. Miners around the world are racing to solve the puzzle first because only the winner gets the reward. But this competition is what secures the Bitcoin network. So, is Bitcoin mining for everyone? Not quite. While it could be profitable, the upfront costs for hardware and electricity are significant. Plus, mining gets harder over time as the puzzles become more complex. Fun fact, Bitcoin's total energy consumption for this year was estimated to be around 17% of Russia's. For beginners, it's important to understand that mining isn't the only way to get Bitcoin. You can also buy it on exchanges or earn it by providing goods and services. And that's Bitcoin mining in a nutshell. It's an essential part of the Bitcoin ecosystem, keeping it secure and decentralized. There is a newer, less energy-reliant model to verify transactions called staking, but that's a topic for another day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more easy-to-digest crypto content. Stay safe and thank you for watching. See you next time.